This car dashboard camera caught a cute moment, which is so heartwarming. Pouring rain at the signal, dad and son on bike, no raincoat. Everyone's covered, but this little guy getting drenched head to toe. Then this stranger sees it, steps off his bike, pulls out a jacket from scooter, walks right up, gently covers the boy's head, protects his school bag. Boy's eyes light up. Stranger smiles, goes back quietly. Comment heart symbol if this restored your faith. Like plus subscribe for more real-life heroes.